Hey guys, it's Tom from Velocity. We're in the showroom today with this gorgeous Tiffany Blue Bronco. Built by us, restored by us, and of course modified by us. It's not a normal Bronco. It's not a standard original first-gen Bronco. It is a little bit special. So let's talk you around it almost as if you were here with me in the showroom. Most striking thing, of course, about this truck is Tiffany Blue. Yes, it's the same Tiffany that comes on the little Tiffany Blue box. Gorgeous color, gorgeous truck. Showroom lights do one thing for it. I took this truck to the beach about 2 weeks ago. Gorgeous in the sun. This is, if you wanted a beach truck, this is the beach truck. We've got other trucks right now in stock, but this is the best beach type truck we have. Just such a gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous truck. So Tiffany Blue. So we've got a ton of chrome elements on the side of this truck. Chrome side mirrors, chrome door handles, and of course, chrome rims. These are the bullet style rims. They come on all of our trucks. Really popular, really good looking, wrapped in a BF Goodrich AT tire. 33, the best setup we have for on-road driving. A lot of people like the big 35s. We never really like to fit them. Let me tell you why. They do look kind of cool, but honestly, the moment you try and drive it at anything more than 50, 40 miles an hour, it's gonna feel real sloppy if you have that larger tire. So 33s on this one in an all-terrain BF Goodrich. Such a nice truck. Let's take a look at the inside here, Evan. Open it up, and the first thing you'll notice, of course, with all of our Broncos is you get the power steps. So fully retractable running boards, power steps by amp. They work amazingly on the door open and the door close. This interior is a leather interior. It's like a cream, slightly off-white ivory bone, whatever you want to call it. Really gorgeous interior. This thing in person is insane. That double diamond stitch, the perforation in the seats, super breathable, super nice. And that Tiffany Blue comes all the way through into the cabin of the truck. So along that dashboard, all the Tiffany Blue with the white. Oh man, amazing. Really, really nice. You got a Focal sound system in this truck. Focal, they make really high-end audio systems for people like Bentley and things like that. We use Focal in all of our products. Really great sound system. And of course, with all of our Broncos, you have a Bluetooth head unit so you can connect your phone. There's a little microphone here so you can speak to people on the phone, you can play music, all of that good stuff. Wooden steering wheel like we have on all of our Broncos. Dakota digital dash, so it looks vintage, got the Velocity Flying V, but of course it is digital. AC in all of our trucks. You got high and low range here. Lockable cubby box with the little cushion for your elbow as you're rolling along. You've got two drinks holders, USB-C, and the small USB or USB 3.0 and USB-C charging. So both types of USB you've got here to charge your devices. You've got electric windows too. So they look original, but they are in fact electric. Well, that's a feature now on all of our Broncos. Final thing is you've got these amazing, these are really, really nice floor mats, like really good looking floor mats. They pop in and pop out. So if you need to spray the truck down after you've been at the beach, you can just lift it up. It's got some poppers, pop it back in. Really, really cool. I think that's about it for the interior on this truck, Evan. Let's jump back round. I go to the back of the truck. So carries on all the way. Tiffany Blue looks really good. We didn't want to overcomplicate the back of the truck. You've got the chrome bumpers, chrome rear door handle, chrome for your license plate holder. Dropping it down, got another mat in the back, and then this is Raptor lining. So this is like a hard-wearing truck bed liner, basically. So if you're going to throw beach bags, beach chairs, your what's that game that we like playing at the moment? Spike ball. You throw the thing on the ground, spike up. You want to throw all that stuff in the back, you can. Don't worry about it. This is made for hard wearing and hard usage. This back seat on all of our Broncos is a lock and tumble, so it locks forward, tumbles forward. So if you need more space, if it's just you and the wife, or the wife, you and your husband, or whatever that looks like, you guys can have even more space at the beach. That's about it for the exterior of this truck. Gorgeous, gorgeous thing. LED lights all around on the back too. And I think we should now move on to the drive line. Looks great, but Tom, does it drive great? Yes, it's a Velocity, of course it drives great. This truck is on an original restored frame. There's a number of reasons for that, but mainly if the vehicle is older than a 75, we like putting a restored frame underneath it so that the vehicle can go to California, Nevada, New York, and a few other states where they're a little bit funny about new chassis. So we say restored, really it's almost like remanufactured. It's basically like a brand new chassis underneath there. The guys in the metal shop take it all the way back down, prep it, repair it, and then of course we get it ready for everyday usage. So really, really awesome. You've got the full suspension setup from us. It's our progressive suspension system in partnership with Bilstein. You have leaf spring in the back, coilovers in the front. People always say, hey, what about independent front suspension? We do offer it. It is an option from us. Trust me, you don't need it unless you think you are I don't know, somebody like Lewis Hamilton, you're not going to notice the difference. These trucks drive amazingly, amazingly well for the setup we've got here. For on-road driving, for 70, 80, 90 miles an hour, for whether it going to the shops, going to get ice cream, going to the beach, or if you want to use it as your daily commuter, this setup drives amazingly well. People like to bash on it. This is what I say to those people. Come and see me here, or come and do one of our test drive events, and you drive it. Watch the videos of me. I think there's actually a video of me driving this actual truck, or one very much like it that we shot at the beach with like one hand on the wheel doing 70 miles an hour. You have to experience it to see it, but trust me, that's the truth. These trucks handle amazingly well. Disc brakes all round, so you can stop as fast as you can go. And how fast can you go? Well, you can go real fast if you want to. And that is because of this Generation 3 Coyote V8. So Gen 3, not the Gen 2, newest generation that you can get from Ford, brand new crate engine, 460 horsepower, 0 to 60 in about 4.5 seconds. Golly, that's fast if you've ever been in quick cars. It's fast for a truck like this. But it's not just about going fast with this engine, it's also about it being reliable, being consistent. So these are super serviceable, super easy to work on. They're not gonna let you down. They're not gonna leave you stuck at the beach. You're gonna turn the key, it's gonna fire up first time every time and get you home safely. So not just about the speed, also about the reliability and performance. Custom headers, custom serpentine system, hydro boosted disc brakes all around like we've already talked about. You've got the Velocity build badge. Every single Velocity build is numbered. We're building our 500th truck right now, so that's really, really exciting. I think that's about it for the engine. Behind it, gearbox 10R80, so that's a 10-speed automatic transmission. Super smooth, even up at highway speeds. It's not gonna be in 10th gear. You're gonna be sitting at gear 5, gear 6, 7, something in those ranges, but it's gonna feel really smooth, like a modern day driving gearbox. I think, Evan, I've covered about everything on this one. It's gorgeous, even the Tiffany blue paint underneath the hood there. Such a nice color, and it's a shame that, really a shame we're not shooting this video outside. I did do a video with this one. We actually used this as another video where I explained what our Signature Series trucks are like at the beach, and that one was under the natural sunlight. So hopefully, guys, you've seen that one, because that one does this color justice, especially with the white interior too. It's just such a fun truck, such a summer truck. It's ready to go. This vehicle's available. If you're interested in it, if you've got any more questions, if I missed anything, as always, call us, email us, text us, whatever it looks like, DM us on Instagram. We don't mind, just love to answer questions. This one's ready to go. It's ready to be used at the beach summer. So as soon as we got the paperwork with you, you can have this. Next week, we can have it out to you. Really nice truck. Thank you for watching.